Bollywood Hungama team is here at the International Convention Centre in Durban, South Africa, with the first SAFTA Awards are about to start. That is South Africa India Film and Television Awards. First of all, some excitement, some hungama from the red carpet, where lots of big Bollywood celebrities walked and dazzled in style.
नहीं, बहुत सारे ऑफ कोर्स विशेस आ गए हैं। ट्विटर पे बहुत सारे ऑफ कोर्स बधाइयाँ मिल चुकी है, सब बहुत एक्साइटेड है। ये पहली बार आई थिंक डर्बन में इतना बड़ा फंक्शन होने जा रहा है, तो आई थिंक एवरीवन's really excited.
Thank you. Well, it's great to see the energy here. People roaring for you is always good. It feels great to come out. You know, you feel like a actor outside the country, even bigger. So hopefully we'll get many more chances like these to come outside and celebrate with them.
Yes, absolutely. Looking forward to meeting all my fans here, as you can hear them. I think it's going to be wonderful. Looks like the audience here is terrific. So I'm looking forward to my show and my performance.
Yeah, it's fun. It's very special because it's a cultural exchange between South Africa and India, and that's why I'm here. The South African people have been very gracious and kind, and it's a pleasure being here.
South Africa has always been very loving. मैं यहाँ पे काफ़ी फिल्में अपनी शूट की हैं, and I just came back. I came here about 2 years ago also, and it's lovely. And Durban, I'm very happy to be here, and I have a really exciting act coming up, so I'm happy.
It's fantastic. The fans are so warm, so loving. It feels wonderful to be here.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ आके, और मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई। और मैं आज दोपहर गई थी गांधी जी की सेटलमेंट देखने के लिए, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा। I almost became emotional.
I think it's really sweet. हमारे लोग हैं, स्वीट है, सपोर्ट करते हैं, and I think it's very sweet.
I'm very happy कि इतना warm welcome मिला है. I never expect anything that we can never be disappointed.
Very happy to be hosting the first SAFTA ever, and I'm ready to go backstage, take my last minute notes, and then ready to hit the stage.
Well, there's always butterflies in your stomach before you go on the stage, but I think the way people are, you know, just loving it here, I think it's going to be great fun.
जी, आज एक support role play कर रहा हूँ मैं. I've just come here to encourage any kind of cultural exchange between India and South Africa.
मुझे बहुत होती हैं. I think I'm falling even sicker because of that. I get really nervous before I get onto stage, and in fact, I have to begin the show and end it. I'm doing a little ode to Mr. Nelson Mandela also. So people speech याद करनी है मुझे जाके जल्दी से.
It was good. We've been rehearsing, working really hard to show disco to them. So hopefully we'll have a great show. Looking forward to all the performances also.
हाँ यार, मैंने तो कितनी ले ली, सोचो देखो कितना जादू होने वाला है आज. कितनी झप्पियाँ ले ली, अब स्टेज पे जाके जादू करेंगे. Hopefully, I'm damn nervous, but I'm trying to stay calm. There's going to be a lot of people, a lot of energy. So I hope मैं जोश में होश नहीं खो बैठूँ.
I actually asked them what are their favorites. So I have done Desi Girl, which is a big favorite. I'm doing the Ganpati song from Agnipath. I am doing a Zulu dance also, by the way, because I wanted to do something South African, and a song from Dawn.
As usual, Madhuri, of course, जब भी मैं उन्हें देखता हूँ, जितनी बार भी उन्हें देखता हूँ, तभी impact कम पड़ता है, because you always want more of Madhuri, and I'm so glad to see her again.
Well, he sits by me whenever we are on Jhalak, so I know how funny he can be and how terrific he is as a host. So I think it's going to be great.
Especially because Karan is hosting, I'm expecting lots of humor, lots of fun.
ऐसे कैसे बताएंगे, जब होगा तो तब देखिए.
मुझे कोई खबर नहीं, मैं इस शो का होस्ट हूँ. तो वो इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है वो आप अथॉरिटी से पूछें तो उनको ज़्यादा बेहतर पता होगा।
हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत वही हो गया है कि 1/2 रिलीज होने वाली है, पर 5 महीने हैं, बट व्हाई नॉट अभी शुरू कर लेते हैं।
This is Manish Malhotra. Bye, thank you.
This is Faridoon Sharir with cameraman Tahir Sheikh in Durban, South Africa for Bollywood Hungama News Network.